I suppose this is the beginning. Yeah, okay. So, express delivery. I bought it yesterday. Showed up today. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. Sorry about the shadows up top. The sun is really highlighted right now, so it is what it is. I obviously won't be showing you my address. You see my peanut butter sandwich over there. Because I don't. I might own a pen that I can cover this with, but it's. Man, that shit's bright. Okay, well let's focus on the box. This is the main thing after all. So I decided to buy it yesterday, and it came today, which is kind of awesome. And just take away the cover that shows my address. Start this for real. There we go. Now it's fine. So I might have enough money to buy the phone. I haven't paid for it. I will have to pay for it within 30 days, or at the end of the month, I think it was. Looks like this on the inside. Never done an unboxing before, so I don't really know the process behind this. I'm sorry about the loud noises. I'm usually quite brutish when it comes to unboxing. What the fuck? What is this? Is a spider web? No, it's not. Weird glue plastic thing. What the Okay. Well, let's remove that. I suppose. That's weird. I wonder where that was. I missed. Alright, so here's the box. Fairphone. Not sponsored. I bought the one with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of space. Since it's the first time I'm buying a phone, actually, so I wanted to get a good one. Say hello to your new Fairphone 4. Never done. Oh, I said it already. I've never done unboxing, but it feels like a bit of a bit, so I wanted to try it. But I've talked so much about this phone, so yeah, I might as well. I was in the shower and I got the notification like, your package has arrived, which was really, I wasn't expecting that. Express delivery really was express. I wasn't expecting it to be that express, so to speak. I ordered it yesterday at like 2 p.m. So, yeah. Let's see here. Built to last, modular design, extended warranty, and long-term support software. Yeah. Easy to repair. Yeah. All the points I brought up. Oh yeah, modular design. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah. You can like change the phone around to better fit your needs. Kind of cool. Fair and recycled materials, fair factories, electronic waste neutral, which is cool. They also have some info on the site telling you exactly how long you should use it for it to be like climate neutral, which is kind of cool. But I guess I'm just going to remove the paper entirely. So here's the phone itself. The package doesn't come with a charger. That's another thing with Fairphone, because they don't want to waste materials in case you already have one of those chargers. This is a thick phone, by the way. Like, very thick. Personally, I think that's kind of cool. So I think I appreciate that. First impressions, it's USB-C. Thick phone. It's got 3 buttons and this little slot here. Which is definitely gonna be a place where it gathers dust. It's got, I'm assuming it's 3 cameras. One of them might be something else though. No, it's probably 3 cameras. Light, camera, action. Obviously it doesn't have any, oh wait, dude, it's charged. Whoa, okay, I wasn't expecting that. Because I'm gonna be going to the store today to buy a charger, so I wasn't expecting it to turn on. That's kind of cool. You see that? It's on. Whoa, that's whack. I wasn't expecting it to come charged. That's insane. Send us your old phone. We've got ambitious plans for reducing electronic waste. Go to Fairphone. That's cool. You can send your phone back, like the old one. And okay, that's cool. Ooh, should I go with English? English is the language I have on my current phone, even though I'm Swedish. I mean, I do like English. Yeah, let's go with that. It's more international, you know? Move this out of the way. Oh. Oh yeah, I can put the SIM card in? Like, right now? Where? Do I need to open it? Oh no, that's not a slot. That's a... Is that how you open up the back? Please don't break. Yeah, it should be the way I open up the back. Okay, maybe I should look up the quick start guide here. If you don't need it, we don't include it. And if you do, check our shop. Yeah, that's the stuff about the charger. This is an Android system phone. I've been using an iPhone so far. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's a way to flip it open. You can even bring out the battery and everything. Volume. Oh wait, what? Are you serious? This button right here for turning it on reads your fingerprint, which is impressive given that it's so small. The hell? NFC. Wonder what that is. Okay, well you're supposed to open up the back by simply pulling up the back. Ooh, this is scary. Are you really supposed to do it like this? This is terrifying. I guess I'll keep going. Oh, it's kind of like a softback. At least enough, I suppose. Do I keep going? Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's scary. Yours to open, yours to keep. Let's get like this on the inside. Interesting. Oops, and the recording by mistake. Yeah, you can see like it's got screws and everything, so you can change it yourself. Vibration audio thing. You can remove the battery without much issue. Wow, that just goes out immediately, huh? And I can put in SIM card and micro SD card. Micro SD would be for increasing the space on the phone. Ooh, I don't know if I want to remove my SD card already, or SIM card. But it's something I'm gonna do when I'm properly switching over from phone to phone. Though I'm good since I don't have a router. I'm just using my phone as my router. I'm gonna need to look up the info beforehand and then do everything without a connection. So that's gonna be fun. Yeah. First impressions are kind of cool. Looks kind of badass on like the backside. I don't know what. There are these symbols everywhere. Like, I'm assuming vibration, sound. That looks like the charging port itself. Heart, battery, camera and sound. I don't really get it, but it's cool. And then I'm assuming you just put it back. Okay, well, glad to know that you can open it without breaking it. Well, I can open it without breaking it, I guess is a better way to put it. And even if this backside gets scratched and everything, you switch it out. It's not part of the entire phone. Very nice. Very nice. I'll probably talk about the phone a lot more when I actually, can use it. Given that I'd like to put in the SIM card quite soon for it to function properly, Yeah. I guess I can point the camera at me again. Hello, please equalize. Yeah, cool, very cool. I have a phone now. I should be able to pay it by the end of the month, which is desirable. Because I'm getting a small paycheck from my last job still, and so that will allow me to pay this off in one go without a payment plan, which is very, very nice. And I actually got the phone that I wanted to get. Obviously, I would have preferred the Fairphone 5, but my phone is dying so fast, and the delivery time on that phone would have been too long. So, I just got the Fairphone 4, but the best version of it. Now I just have to get a charger, a case, a haircut. So next time you see me, I'm probably not gonna look the same. Yeah. And the sun is really shining today. Yeah, I think that's it. This was just unboxing. Or something. Take care. Unboxing is it's a weird culture. You have no idea how hard it was to not open the box immediately as I got it. All right, take care. Eat peanuts or something. They have high protein, high fat, low carbs. No, not low carbs. They do have high carbs, I think. Or at least peanut butter does, because there's a lot of sugar. Oh, peanut butter.